So, you have just turned 18, flashing. You are an adult now, and everyone's telling you to get a credit card. But then the panic hits. Wait, how do I not destroy my credit score in the first month? Don't worry. Today we are going step by step through how to pick, use, and dominate your first credit card like a pro. So, guys, welcome back to Wealth Whispers, the channel where members, money, stuff actually makes sense. Hit that subscribe button because this video could save your thousands in interest and a lot of financial headaches later. So, the first question which may arise in your mind is what is a credit card? A credit card is not free money. It's a short-term loan that lets you borrow up to a certain limit, then pay it back at the end of each month. If you pay on time, you build credit and stay interest free. If you don't, interest hits hard. In both the US and UK, first time credit limit usually starts between $200 to $1,000 or £500 to £1,200 depending on income and banking history. How to choose your first credit card? When choosing your first card, you have got options and all of them come with different rules. So number one, secured credit card. This is the safest starter. You deposit money, just say $200, and then it becomes your spending limit. Perfect for building credit without overspending. Number second, student credit card. Available in both US and UK banks for 18 plus. They often have lower limits, fewer fees, and student perks. No income, some banks let you qualify through student. Number third, authorized user setup. If your parent adds you to their card, borrow their good credit history. Build score faster as long as both of you use it responsibly. Pro tip for comparing cards. Look for no annual fee. Avoid cards with high APRs or hidden transaction fees. Make sure you can monitor spending with mobile apps. HSBC, Barclays, and TSB have this feature. How to use it like a pro? Here's your golden playbook for using credit cards the smartest way. Pay your bill in full every month. Interest rate can be over 20 to 30%. Paying in full equals no interest ever. Number second, never miss a due date. Set a smartphone reminder or autopay. Just one late payment can tank your score. Number third, keep your spending below 30% of your limit. If your limit is $1,000, keep your balance under $300. Lenders call this your credit utilization rate. Number 4. Treat your card like cash. Don't buy things you could not afford with real money. Number 5. Track your charges. Use your credit card app weekly. Check for unknown authorized transactions or subscription draining your credit. Number 6. Use rewards wisely. Some cards offer cashback or points. Use them for essential, not as an excuse to overspend. Number 7. Never withdraw cash from your credit card. Cash advances have instant interest and high fees. It's not worth it. So, here are some points so that you can build your credit history. Each on-time payment gets logged in your credit report, which builds your credit score. Think of it like your money reputation. Lenders say it every time you apply for loans, cars, and apartments. Start simple, like make small monthly purchase like Spotify or Netflix. Pay them off fully and keep that habit for 12 to 6 months. Your score will grow steadily. These are some major mistakes to avoid which most adults make. Number 1. Paying only the minimum. That keeps you in debt and racks up interest rates. Number 2. Maximizing out on your card. Signal risk and your score can dip fast. Next is applying for too many cards. Each application causes a hard inquiry, lowering your score a bit. Number 4. Ignoring your statements. Fraud or hidden fees might slip in it if you are not watching. A bonus mistakes. Closing your card too early. Keep that first card open to help your average credit age. One question which may arise in your mind is when you are ready for your next card. After about 6 to 12 months of responsible use, your credit limit might increase automatically. That's a sign of trust. Once your score strengthens, you can move on to reward cards, travel cards, or bigger limits only if you still pay off every balance month. Pro tip: before upgrading, check your free scores through apps like Experian, Credit Karma, or ClearScore in the UK. So why starting early matters? Here's the secret. The earlier you start using your credit properly, the faster you build your financial power. By your mid 20s, you will qualify for cheaper loans, better apartments, and solid financial independence. It's not about spending, it's about building trust with your future self. Out. If you have made it this far, congratulations. You are officially known more than about credit cards than most adults. Drop a comment below about what would your first purchase be with your card. Hit like and subscribe to Wealth Whispers. I will see you next time where we will break down credit card hacks you will never learn in school.